Hey guys, it's Taylor. Sorry for the lack of videos recently. My GoPro actually ended up messing up and wouldn't copy like anything over for some reason, so I apologize for that. So that's why I haven't had a video for a day or two. I was supposed to upload one yesterday, but like I said, my GoPro messed up and it wasn't transferring files for some reason, and so I wasn't able to get those off. But I'm uploading this one from my phone so that we can take care of everything this way. So at least I can do that. This is gonna be a quick video. Yesterday was fun. I was driving through our major snowstorm that we had here, and I thought that was pretty fun. I said in the video, like, I love driving through the snow and stuff like that. It was really funny. There's a Subaru that was stuck that I wanted to put in the video, but yeah, I was making fun of it because everyone's always talking about how the Subaru all-wheel drive is so amazing and so wonderful, and it was definitely stuck. Took him like 10 minutes. I went to Olive Garden, and he finally got unstuck when I was leaving because I was just picking food up. As I was leaving is when he got unstuck, and I thought that was pretty funny. But yeah, this is, I don't really know what to talk about on this. Tax return, everything's done with that, so I'm going to be paying for my dog's surgery because we put that on a credit card, so we're going to be taking care of that. And yeah, guys, new parts are going to be, incoming. It's going to be my intake and turbo muffler, not turbo muffler, but a turbo discharge pipe, so you can hear the turbo spool, de-spool, or whatever the fuck it's called, surge, I guess. And then you'll be able to actually hear the turbo spool up. So I'm excited for that. And then exhaust sometime in the future. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, if you watch this, like I said, it's really short, and I apologize. When I get my GoPro figured out, I'll do a video with that. Might do like a normal vlog, and my house soon, show you guys my dog and everything, what I use to video edit, and all that good stuff. If it's uploaded from my phone, it's just going to be straight from the phone. There's nothing really changed about that. But anyway, guys, I hope you have a good day, and just a little update that I'm getting an intake soon and everything like that. See ya.